In this video, we are going to talk about the three modes that are available to you when you are using Google Docs. The first mode is your editing mode. So by default, when you open a Google Doc, you're in editing mode, meaning that you're able to make changes and do whatever you want in your document. Insert, add text, so on and so forth. You'll know you're in editing mode if you look over here on the right-hand side, you see you're in editing mode. This way, I can add things directly to the document. When you press this button over here, you can change it to suggesting and viewing. Let's take a look at viewing first. Viewing is very simple. When you click on viewing, this is what your final product will look like. You notice when I click, I can highlight things, but I can't actually type anything anymore because this is what the final print version will look like. So I'm just in viewing mode. The one that's kind of interesting is suggesting mode. So this is the middle one here, where it says edits become suggestions. What happens is, if I type anything, you notice that I get a suggestion over here and it'll say what I've done. And these are the things that are here. I can choose right now whether I want to accept it or not accept it. If I accept it, I press the little check over here. If I don't accept it, then I press the X. So I can either press the check to accept it, and now it becomes a real thing, or I can press the X, reject it, and it goes away. This applies as well as if I highlight some text. I can change it, and now I have a replacement option. I can either accept it, see it changed it, or I can reject it, and it goes back to what I had before. So suggesting is pretty powerful if you want to make some changes on a document without making it a permanent change, and if you're reviewing with another person, this is a nice way for you to work together and collaborate.